This video is all about lighting design using Dialux Evo. Hello everyone, welcome to Graphicark lighting design. In our last video tutorial, we created the office board meeting room, and now in this tutorial we will create a classroom using Dialux Evo. Here's some quick tips about classroom tips you can use as idea for your next lighting design project. Lighting for school standards, the minimum illuminance level in the classroom is 300 lux. However, higher level should be evaluated. Wall illuminances should be above 75 lux and ceiling lux levels above 50 lux. To allow for good condition for visual communication, a cylindrical illuminance of minimum 150 lux is needed. Step number 1. Prepare AutoCAD file before importing into Dialux Evo. Step number 2. Building and construction in Dialux Evo. Step number 3. How to positioning window and door in Dialux Evo. Step number 4. How to arrange a chair and a table in Dialux Evo. Step number 5. How to make ceiling gypsum board texture for 60 by 60 panel light in Dialux Evo. Step number 6. Installing the luminaire 60x60 panel light IES in gypsum board ceiling using Dialux Evo. Thanks for watching Graphicark Lighting Design. You are my inspiration for every lesson I do, guys. Please leave a comment and subscribe if you can. So see you in my next video. Keep safe.